Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you love peonies as much as I do? The only bad thing is they die really quick in a vase. But that's why I love these permanent botanical peonies by You Art Lines. They come already fluffed up and they have done everything possible to make these look as lifelike as possible. The inside is super nice and fluffy, just like a real peony. And the outer petals are a little bit bigger, and they even have the nice dark pink around the very edge, just like the real ones. This is the white, and as you can see, they're a little bit off-white with a little bit of pink to make them look very lifelike. I'm super impressed with the quality of these and how beautiful they really are. The stem has a nice metal piece, so you can twist them and bend them to be able to arrange them easily. These look gorgeous around my house, but I also think if you have an upcoming wedding, these would be a gorgeous and super easy bouquet to create. They even send twist ties with it, so you can just take a handful of these, use the twist ties to get them nice and tight, add some ribbon, and voila, you have a stunning bridal bouquet of peonies. So if you're looking for some beautiful peonies for around your house or for your next upcoming event, I highly recommend the set by You Art Lines because they are gorgeous. But that's just my point of view.